Hi dear students, previous class we were discussed Pythagoras theorem. Today we are discussing converse of Pythagoras theorem. It is also very important theorem. The statement is, in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite the first side is a right angle. So, here observe the diagram here. So, what is given in triangle ABC? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. It is according to Pythagoras theorem. What is going to prove here? Angle B is equal to 90 degree in the first figure. Construction: draw triangle PQR such that AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. In this way, we have to construct another triangle PQR. Now, proof: in a triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write square on the hypotenuse, means PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now, PR square is equal to PQ. In construction, we know that PQ value is nothing but AB. So, PR square is equal to, we can write AB square plus BC square. Call this as equation number 1. But also we know that what is given, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Call this as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, same term get cancels. What remains here? PR square is equal to AC square. So, square get cancels. What you will get? PR is equal to AC. In a triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ is there by construction, BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR, proved above by using 1 and 2 we proved. So, from these three conditions we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. It is according to side postulate. Therefore, according to CPCT, angle B is equal to angle Q, because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So, angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to. So, angle Q is equal to what? 90 degree and angle B's value is also 90 degree. Hence, it is proved. It is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now, we will move to the exercise 2.5. In exercise 2.5, the first question is, sides of triangles are given here. Sides of the triangles here 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter. These are the sides of the triangles. Determine which of them are right triangles. Which of them are right triangles or not? We have to determine here. In case of a right triangle, write the length of its hypotenuse. If it is a right triangle, then we have to write the length of its hypotenuse side. The first question is 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter. These are the sides of the given triangle. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write square on the hypotenuse, means longest side. So, I have taken 25 is the longest, 25 centimeter. So, 25 square is equal to squares of the sum of other two sides. So, 24 square plus 7 square. 25 square value is 625, 24 square value is 576, 7 square value is 49. So, this LHS side is 625 as it is. If we add 576 and 49, you will get 625. So, both are equal here. When they are equal, then it is a right angled triangle. Then its hypotenuse side is 25 centimeter, because longest side is a hypotenuse side. In that second sub question is there, 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So, here which is a bigger side? 8. So, take this is square of the hypotenuse. 8 square is equal to 6 square plus 3 square. 8 square is 64, which is equal to 6 square is 36 plus 9. 64 is not equal to 45. So, whether these two are equal? No. If they are not equal, then it is not a right angle triangle. If there is no right angle triangle, then there is no hypotenuse side. Therefore, hypotenuse side is not possible. Here no hypotenuse side. Okay. Now, second question. The question is PQR is a triangle right angled at P. I have drawn the diagram here. See the figure here, in this figure, in this figure, in this figure. PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. So, angle P is equal to what? 90 degree. And M is a point on QR. M is a point on QR. Such that PM is perpendicular to QR. Show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. So, see, it is perpendicular means it is also 90 degree. So, consider the triangle PMR. So, this triangle it is PMR means consider this triangle PMR. So, in a triangle PMR, angle M is equal to what? 90 degree. It is by construction. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write the side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse side. So, PR square is equal to MR square plus PM square. So, we can write PR square, this plus MR comes to this LHS side, it becomes negative. PR square minus MR square is equal to PM square. Call this as equation number 1. Why we have did like this? Because we have to prove that PM square is equal to QM into MR. We want PM square. For that reason I have written. So, and also consider another triangle PMQ. In triangle PMQ, see here, it is consider this triangle PMQ. Angle M is 90 degree. So, 90 degree opposite side is hypotenuse side. So, PQ square is equal to QM square plus PM square. We can write PQ square minus QM square is equal to PM square. Call this as equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2, you will get the next step. Adding 1 and 2. First add the LHS side and or RHS sides. PM square plus PM square you will get 2 PM square. Then remaining terms are PR square plus PQ square plus side plus terms one side. Then minus MR square minus QM square. Now, see here, two PM square as it is. Okay, 2 PM square I have written 2 PM square as it is. Now, PR square plus PQ square value is what? PR square plus PQ square value is QR square. PR square plus PQ square is equal to QR square. Now, minus MR square as it is minus QM square. Now, 2 PM square is equal to QR square. QR is nothing but what? QR can be written as MR plus QM. QR is length is equal to MR plus QM. So, QR can be written as MR plus QM plus whole bracket square. Then remaining these two terms as it is. Now, 2 PM square is equal to, expand this one according to formula A plus B bracket square formula is A square plus 2AB plus B square. On that basis we can expand this, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square, then remaining terms as it is. So, what they get cancels here? First MR square, this MR square minus MR square get cancels, plus QM square minus QM square get cancels. Then here 2 this two get cancelled. What remains? Pm square is equal to mr into qm, which is proved. Now, next problem is problem number 3. Next problem number 3 here. Third problem. Third problem. In the figure, diagram is drawn. In the figure, ABD is a triangle right angled at A, and AC is perpendicular to BD. Show that first one, AB square is equal to BC into BD. We have to prove this one. In triangle BAD, consider the triangles here. In a triangle, see the figure. In a triangle BAD and triangle BCA, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree, because it is given. Angle B is equal to angle B. It is common angle. Then according to A criteria, we can write triangle BAD is similar to triangle BCA. If they are similar triangle, then they are the ratios are corresponding. Corresponding sides are in proportion. So, we can write AD by, we can write here AD by AC is equal to BD by AB is equal to AB by BC. So, here we can write, consider only these two here, that is ABD by AB is equal to AB by BC. Now, cross multiply AB into AB, AB square, BC into BD as it is, which is proved. Similarly, second and third are same, do it yourself. Now, problem number 4. Fourth problem. Fourth problem is ABC is an isosceles triangle right angled at C. ABC what? Here ABC is an isosceles triangle it is right angled at C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2 times of AC square. So, here in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to what? 90 degree. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So, AB square is equal to AC square plus, here isosceles triangle is there. So, AC is equal to BC. Both sides are equal here. So, AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square is 2 times of AC square, hence it is proved. Now, problem number 5. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC is given. If AB square is equal to 2 times of AC square, prove that ABC is a right triangle. So, it is also similar to the fourth problem. In triangle ABC, AC is equal to BC. and also what is given, AB square is equal to 2 times of AC square. AB square is equal to 2 times of AC square can be written as AC square plus AC square. AB square is equal to AC square plus AC is equal to what? BC, AC square plus BC square, hence it is proved. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the other two sides, squares of the sum of the other two sides, then it is a right triangle. Hence, angle C is equal to 90 degree. ABC is a right angled triangle. Now, problem number 6. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A, find each of its altitudes. It is important problem. So, here I have drawn the diagram. ABC is an equilateral triangle AB is equal to 2A, BC is equal to 2A, AC is equal to 2A. Find each of its altitudes. Altitude means here perpendicular line. So, AD is a altitude. So, D it becomes midpoint. It divides the line into two equal parts, 2A and A. So, in a triangle ABD, angle D is equal to what? 90 degree. Yes. So, you can write according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So, AB value is what? 2A, 2A bracket square is equal to AD square. We do not know the value of AD, AD square plus BD value is what? A square. So, 2A bracket square is 4A square, then plus A square comes here, it becomes minus A square is equal to AD square. Here this 4A square minus A square, what will get? 4A square minus A square, what will get? 3A square. Here this 4A square minus A square, what you will get? You will get 3A square, 3 square is equal to AD square. So, AD is equal to 2 comes here, this 2 comes here, it becomes square root of 3A square. So, AD is equal to here, AD is equal to root 3A, because square root of 3 is root 3, square root of A square, 2 and root get cancelled, what you will get? A. So, AD value is root 3A. So, now problem number 7. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Question is, prove that sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus. So, what is the condition for rhombus here? In rhombus, all sides are equal. In rhombus, all sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So, we can write, consider the triangle AOB. In a triangle AOB, so AB square of the hypotenuse means AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square. So, AB square is equal to AO can be written as, it is half of the AC or not? Yes. AO is half of the diagonal, diagonal is AC. So, AO can be written as AC by 2 bracket square plus BO is the half of the BD by 2 bracket square. So, AB square is equal to AC bracket square is AC square, 2 bracket square is 4, AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. So, AB square is equal to, here denominators are same 4 4, right, 4 as it is, AC square plus BD square as it is. When 4 comes to this side, it becomes multiplication. Here multiplication, 4 into AB square, you will get 4 AB square is equal to what remains, AC square BD square as it is. So, 4 AB square means 4 times AB square, here 1, 2, 3, 4, AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square is equal to this side as it is, this term as it is. Now, this AB square is equal to AB square as it is, AB is equal to what, BC, because all sides are equal. So, I have written BC, AB is equal to what, CD, AB is equal to what, AD. So, AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Hence, it is proved. Now, 8th problem. Problem number 8. In the figure 2.54, I have drawn the figure here. O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. Here, OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, OF is perpendicular to AB. So, what is going to prove here? Show that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So, consider here in a triangle AF. So, consider the triangle AFO. Consider the triangle, it is O. AFO. So, angle F is equal to what? 90 degree. According to Pythagoras theorem, we can write OA square is equal to AF square plus OF square, call this as equation number 1. Okay. Which triangle consider? AFO. This. Now, consider another triangle BDO. Consider this triangle. Angle D is equal to what? 90 degree. So, you can write OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square, call this as equation number 2. Consider another triangle in triangle CEO, this triangle. Consider this triangle. In a triangle CEO, angle E is equal to 90 degree. So, OC square is equal to CE square plus OE square, call this as equation number 3. And all these 3 equations you will get OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to EF square plus OF square plus BD square plus OD square plus CE square plus OE square. So, OA square, OB square, OC as it is. Now, shift these terms. This OD comes here, becomes minus. So, this OD comes to here, it becomes minus. OE comes to here, it becomes minus. OF comes to here, it becomes minus. What remains? AF square, BD square, CE square, it remains. It is proved, first one. In that, second question is there. Prove that AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So, it is also simple. From the above result we can write f square plus bd square plus c square is equal to rearranging, that is OA square minus OE square in one bracket and another one OC square minus OD square one side, then OB square minus OF square one side. So, what will get this term LHS term as it is, OA square minus OE square, what will get AE square, OA minus OE, see here OA minus OE bracket square you will get AE square according to Pythagoras theorem it is. Now, OC square minus OD square is CD square plus OB square minus OF square is BF square. So, it is proved. Now, problem number 9. Problem number 9. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. 8 meter above the ground means AO is equal to what? 8 meter. Then find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So, OB is asked. According to Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. AB square is 10 square is equal to 8 square plus OB square. 10 square is 100 minus 64 is equal to OB square. 100 minus 64 you will get 36. 36 is equal to OB square. Therefore, OB is equal to 2 comes here, it becomes root. Root 36 is value 6. So, the distance is how much? 6 meter. Problem number 10. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? So, see the diagram. According to Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square is equal to OB square plus OA square by substituting the values. 24 square is equal to 18 square plus OA square. Square of the 24 is 576, 18 square is 324, OA square as it is 576 is plus 324, it comes here, it becomes minus 324 is equal to OA square. By subtracting this one, you will get 252 is equal to OA square. So, we can write 252 factors as I have shown here. Factors of 252 are 6 table, 6 4s are 24, 1 remains, 6 2s are 12, 6 7s are 42, 7 1s are. So, OA is equal to square root of OA square is equal to 252, OA is equal to square root of 252, OA is equal to 6 into 6 into 7, 2 6 are there, consider only one single 6 root 7 meter. Now, 11th problem is do it yourself. Now, problem number 12. Two poles of heights 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. Say two poles of heights 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is how much? 12 meter. Find the distance between their tops. We have to find the difference between their tops means here AC is asked. let CD and AB be the poles of height 11 meter and 6 meter. So, we can write Cp value, Cp is equal to total minus, total is 11 minus 6, because it is a ground. AB is equal to CD, AB is equal to PD, 6 it is 11 minus 6, you will get 5 meter, and AP value is 12. In triangle APC, angle P is equal to 90 degree. According to Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square is equal to AP square plus PC square. AP value is what? 12. 12 square plus PC value is what? 5. Or CP, PC both being the same. 5 square is equal to AC square. 12 square is 144 plus 25 is equal to AC square. 144 plus 25 is 169 is equal to AC square. So, square root of 169 is 13. So, therefore, AC is equal to 13 meter, which is required solution. Now, problem number 13. The question is, D and E are points on the sides CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC right angled at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. By applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write in a triangle ACE, which is right angled at C. In a triangle ACE, we can write AC square plus CE square is equal to AE square. Call this as equation number 1. In triangle BCD, we can write BC square plus CD square is equal to BD square. Call this as equation number 2. So, adding 192 or using 192, what you will get? AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square is equal to AE square plus BD square. Call this as equation number 3. So, in a triangle CDE, we can write DE square is equal to CD square plus CE square. In a triangle ABC, you can write AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square. By adding or by substituting the values, these values D square and AB square values in equation number 3, you will get next term. D square plus AB square is equal to AE square plus BD square. Hence, it is proved. 14, 15, 16 and 17, last question is multiple choice. Tick the correct answer is there. So, these 3 problems and that one, total 4 problems. Do it yourself. It is homework for you. This is the completion of the triangle lesson. Remaining part we will discuss in next class, new unit. So, thank you dear students.